Hello, I'm Dr. Kevin Golden, Associate Professor of Exegetical Theology at Concordia Seminary, and I'll be leading a Prof Insights workshop July 29 through 31 at Trinity Lutheran Church in Springfield, Missouri. This workshop will consider the New Testament appropriation of the Old Testament. Christ and the apostles regularly ground their teaching upon the word of the Lord delivered through Moses and the prophets. While the fulfillment of prophecy is regularly cited in the New Testament, that's not the only dynamic. At times, the language of Old Testament texts is significantly transformed in New Testament texts. And then there are allusions and echoes of Old Testament texts within the New Testament that stop short of direct quotation, yet build on that prior text. During this workshop, participants will explore the various dynamics of the New Testament's use of the Old Testament, consider the Christological significance of those dynamics, and then reflect on how our interpretive practice can reflect those dynamics. Join me and register at csl.edu. I look forward to seeing you this July.